What is up guys, Mustafa here, and today in this video I am gonna be doing the giveaway of Samsung Galaxy J2 2018. And apart from that, today in this video I am also gonna be showing you all the features of Samsung Galaxy J2. So to know about the winning contest, the J2 contest, what you have to do is watch it till the end and do like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's open the settings, advanced features, where all the features of the smartphone is currently in this file. Okay, one-handed mode, it means like press the home key 3 times quickly to reduce the display size. 1 2 3, it does it. Okay, so well, this feature is kind of pretty old because this was available in the first generation of J2. So now let's move on to the next feature, the quick launch camera. While to open a camera, you need to press your home key twice so that your camera will be launched quickly rather than just going in, opening, unlocking your smartphone and then pressing the quick camera. So this is the very useful feature. Apart from that, there is also a multi-window feature, which is kind of very interesting, and this is the latest feature in the smartphone because this was not available in the previous two the second generation phone. So well, how I'll just show you how does it works. Let's open one more app like YouTube. Okay, yeah, so we have this thing. What you have to do is just press the recent keys, and there is the after the cross button there is the, what do you say, the multi window. As soon as you press that multi windows app or screen, you will get your multi window like this. So this is how it works. This is absolutely fun, and the best thing about this is you can adjust it. It's up to you, like if you want the screen like this, and I think this is that's a maximum thing. So apart from that, this is how it works, and this is basically awesome feature. Now let's go back to maximize the screen. We need to go back, like complete the full screen, and then it goes back it. So apart from that, you have the palm swipe to capture. It is actually like you can take a screenshot just by the edge like this. See how it, so that is how it works. Well, this is the latest feature, and sorry, this is the new feature of this smartphone, which was not available in the previous smartphone, so previous J2. And then apart from that, you have the smart alert, which is the good feature. It comes in A series like A5. So this is the good feature. It says like your phone will vibrate when you pick it up to let you know about the missed calls and messages. So like if your phone is a bit of slided, and as soon as you open your phone, it vibrates and says you all the feature, all the calls or messages what you have missed it. And apart from that, let's see the another feature, that is easy mute. Like if you're like, if incoming call is coming, and you don't want it to be like by you don't want it to be cutting, so what you can do is, no, wait a minute. Well, now let's come to the next feature, that is the easy mute. Well, this is a good feature. It says like you can mute the incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand on the screen, or it's like you're turning the phone face down and it will automatically mute the call or alarm. Like it is very useful in like if you're a businessman and you're in a meeting, at that situations this is a very good feature. And now let's move on to the next feature, that is a swipe or call send message. Well, this is becoming a bit of common right now because all the smartphones of Samsung, it is a standard feature which comes in all smartphones and as well as the Samsung phones. So now let's skipping that feature, let's move on, that is the dual messenger. Well, this is a very good feature. Like you guys, like some guys have two accounts, and in one app some people have two accounts in one app. So people like me can use two accounts in one app. This is a very helpful feature currently. You can use two separate accounts for the same app, like if you're having Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram or Messenger. So it will be convenience, it will be convenient for you guys. Okay, wait a minute, it will be convenient for you guys to use two separate accounts in one app. So moving on, next is the panic mode. Well, this is also a new feature added to this J2. It is like pressing the power key quickly 3 times. You can call it will automatically call the emergency number, rather than you can just open your smartphone, unlock it, and then dial the emergency number 112 100, whatever it may be. So well, this is a good feature, and as well as you can just send the message by just pressing quickly the 3 times the power key. So this is also a good feature. Well, now let's move on to the next part, that is the direct share. No, it's going a bit of command. I need to skip that too. Well, another feature, that is the easy mode for the senior citizens or the old age people. What they want the smartphone to be simple and basic, rather than just going into detail about it. So it is actually like you can use a simple home screen layout and bigger screen items, so that they could see perfectly, and any customizations you have made to the home screen will be discarded, rather than just going and seeing the camera, and there will be only basic features what you get in that easy mode. And screen zoom and will be set to the maximum settings. It will automatically set to its easy mode, rather than you can rather than just going up out there. So this is also a good feature. So that's it in this J2. Well, there is a lot of features more. Well, this is only itself, and well, some of them are common a bit in this smartphone. Okay, apart from that, now let us move on to the giveaway part. I'll just show you. Part of giveaway, what I'm doing is I am giving away this Android smartphone, which is Samsung Galaxy J2 2018, which is kind of just 3 weeks used. Well, with that said, I'm also giving you this complimentary gift, that is the back rear cover of the smartphone. Well, to win this phone, what you have to do is just do 4 things for me, that is like, comment, share and subscribe, and you need to comment in the down comment section below, so that I can take your names for the contest. Okay, so I need to I'll just show you this everything. I am just gonna keep this one like this with the rear camera, and then I am gonna be, so there's one thing, like if you guys live outside the country, or like not outside the country, within the country, and so what you have to do is you have to pay the charges of delivery, because you are getting the phone, so you need to pay the charges for delivery. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to win this Android smartphone. Well, I'll see you in the next video.